Welcome. I'm so glad you are here for this class about choosing the best legal structure for your small business. Choosing the right legal business structure is one of the most important decisions you will make for your business. In this project, you will select a legal business structure and write a short summary about why that's the best legal structure for your business. Be sure to upload your document to the Student Project Gallery. I'm Geraldine Jensen, an experienced business owner and publisher. My expertise includes how a legal business structure impacts taxes, liability, and control of your business. Understanding these elements is crucial for entrepreneurs to make informed decisions that align with their business goals and personal circumstances. Let's start by exploring the main types of business structures in Lesson 1. These are the main 4 types: solo proprietorship, partnerships, S-Corp, and C-Corp. Let's start with sole proprietorships. They are ideal for single entrepreneurs. They are the simplest and most cost-effective to establish, with income reported on personal tax returns. However, there's no legal distinction between personal and business assets, making the owner personally liable for debts. Common examples include freelancers and hobbyists transitioning to business. Next, let's look at general partnerships. They are ideal for 2 or more individuals starting a business informally. They are easy to form, with profits and losses passing through to partners' personal tax returns. However, each partner is personally liable for business debts, and disagreements can arise without a formal partnership agreement. Common examples include friends launching event planning or catering businesses. One of the most common legal business structure is a limited liability company, abbreviated as LLC. It is ideal for small businesses seeking personal asset protection and flexible management. It offers pass-through taxation, meaning income and losses are not subject to corporate income tax. An LLC enhances credibility with clients and banks. However, it involves higher costs and requires state registration. Suitable for consultants, event organizers, and growing side hustles, limited liability companies can be single, 1 person, or multi-member, 2 or more people. Next, let's explore S-Corporation, abbreviated as S-Corp. They are a good choice for profitable small businesses aiming to reduce self-employment taxes. Usually you need around $40,000 in annual profit to benefit from an S-Corp business. It offers pass-through taxation, meaning you only pay taxes on your income, and it reduces self-employed tax. It offers the flexibility to pay yourself a salary and distributions from profits, and helps with saving on taxes when income is high. However, it involves more rules than a limited liability company, requiring payroll, which is considered a reasonable salary as determined by industry or marketplace standards. S-Corp owner types are also limited to individuals, certain trusts, and estates. Now let's talk about C corporations, abbreviated C-Corp. They are ideal for startups aiming to attract investors. Stock can sold or used as collateral to help raise money. C-Corps offer limited liability protection, ease in raising capital, and perpetual existence. However, they face double taxation, meaning you are taxed on your income and business profits. They require adherence to numerous legal formalities. Typically, a C-Corp is unnecessary for small businesses unless scaling nationally or seeking significant investment. Lesson 2. Choosing the right business structure for your business. Do your best to choose, but know that you can change your business structure if needed. For example, many small businesses start as an LLC, but later switch to a C-Corp to raise capital to expand their business. Now let's look at this quick decision guide. For solo businesses with low risk, consider a sole proprietorship or single-member limited liability company. For 2 or more people with low risk, a general partnership or multi-member limited liability company is suitable. Any small business needing protection should opt for a limited liability company. High-income businesses seeking tax savings might choose a limited liability company with S-Corporation tax election. Startups needing investors should consider a C corporation. Lesson 3. Checklist for the most common business structure, an LLC. The first step is choosing a business name. It is an important part of your business branding. If you need ideas for a name, check out namesnack.com. It can help you brainstorm name ideas. Ensure your business name is unique in your state by checking the state's business registry online. You must have a unique name in your state to qualify as a corporation. Include LLC or limited liability company in the name. If you plan to operate under a different name, file for a DBA or doing business as to maintain state law compliance. You would need a DBA, for example, if you had a dog grooming service called Best Dog Groomer and you also do business as Best Mobile Dog Groomer. Here are some resources to start your business. Visit nolo.com and search for how to start an LLC in your state. They provide a checklist to help you find the website in your state where you need to go to check if a business name is available and find required corporation forms when you find a unique name. Also, check to see if a matching domain name is available. Plus, if your state offers, put the name hold so you can register it when you file for incorporation. If you would rather pay someone to incorporate for you, consider sites like LegalZoom.com or other online legal groups. They provide legal expertise that is usually less expensive than an attorney. Or hire a private attorney to help you. Knowing which legal business structure you need and having gathered all need information before you go to an attorney will help reduce fees. Next, select a registered agent to receive legal documents on your behalf. This can be you or a commercial service, but they must have a physical address in the state where your business is formed. Then, file your articles of organization with the Secretary of State or Business Registration Office. Pay the filing fee, which varies by state, typically ranging from $50 to $300. Once processed, you'll receive a certificate confirming your limited liability company is officially formed. If you are forming a partnership or a multi-member LLC, the next step is to create an operating agreement to define ownership percentages, roles, and responsibilities, outline profit and loss allocation, and establish voting and decision-making rules and plan exit or dissolution procedures. While not required in all states, it's highly recommended for partnerships to prevent misunderstandings. An attorney or online legal group can help you write a thorough agreement. I recommend to at least have an attorney review your agreement to ensure all parties' interests are protected. Next, obtain an employer identification number, an EIN number for your business. Apply online for free at irs.gov. This number is necessary for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing business taxes. Ensure you have it to streamline your operations and meet legal requirements efficiently. Be sure you are on the IRS's website. They do not charge a fee for an EIN number. There are many scams out there who charge fees for this service. Next, open a business bank account. It is important to keep personal and business finances remain separate. To set up an account, bring your employer identification number, articles of organization, and your operating agreement if applicable. This separation is essential for protecting personal assets and maintaining clear financial records. Consider electing S-Corp tax status if your business earns over $40,000 in net profit. File Form 2553 with the Internal Revenue Service within 75 days of forming or by March 15th for existing limited liability companies. This enables you to pay yourself a reasonable salary and take additional profits as distributions while reducing self-employment tax. Talk with an accountant for more information. Next, secure the necessary licenses and permits. Most businesses need a general business license. If applicable, register to pay sales tax. A home office license or permit might be required in certain areas. Always verify requirements on your state and local government websites to ensure compliance. Next, obtain essential insurance for your business. General liability, professional liability, and event-specific insurance are needed to protect your business assets. Consider optional coverage like equipment insurance and cyber liability for comprehensive protection. Check if your state requires workers' compensation insurance. These measures safeguard against potential risks and ensure smooth operations. Next, obtain accounting software such as QuickBooks, Wave, or Xero to efficiently manage your finances. At least use a spreadsheet and track income, expenses, mileage, and receipts meticulously. Ensure business and personal transactions remain separate. Consider hiring a certified public accountant or tax professional for quarterly income taxes and filings to maintain compliance and accuracy. Thank you so much for taking this class. Be sure to check out our other class on using AI to write a business plan and our upcoming class on using AI to brand your business. Download the checklist for starting an LLC. Please upload a document to the Student Project Gallery which lists which business structure you chose for your business and a summary as to why that is best for your company. I look forward to seeing your choice. Thank you for attending.